project exercises and open this. Okay, so this is a site plan that normally will be coming from a surveyor or from maybe your client, right? Now, you're going to be importing this or linking this to your Revit file. Okay. Now, before you do that, the first thing that you'd like to do is, normally when you get a file like this, is you want to check the units being used. Okay. What unit is being used? So you can type the units command, UN. Okay, we see here it's using decimal, millimeters. Okay, that's good. Sometimes even if we have millimeters here, some surveyor, right? Some surveyor, when they use dimension, they use 1 equals to 1 meter. Okay, so we need to check that as well. So what are they using here? Okay, so let's see. Well, we do have here 161.953 meter, right? So the unit being used is meter. So I wonder whether they're using really meter here, right? Instead of millimeter. So I can check DI. And let's see, if this is a driveway, how big was this drawn? Okay, it's using 6,500. That couldn't be meter, right? So that should be millimeters, 6 meters driveway, right? So the notation is in meter, but the drawing is in millimeter. Okay, so that's something that you'd like to find out. Very important. Okay. Another is you need to prepare your drawing. So write this down, right? So find out what the unit is being used. What unit is being used? Unit of measurement. The next thing is that you know write it down. You want to maybe save it as a different file name and delete all the other files, or place them in a layer that you can turn off, or maybe even freeze. You don't want to bring in too many information in Revit. That will slow your Revit, computing. Slow down your computer. So do that, and then try to see what information are needed. Like for example, this one, I think I need this, right? I might even turn this off, all the things that I can turn off. Maybe I can copy that, which I did here, which I will just share with you later, right? So I copied it here, so I can turn it off later, right? I also copied the information, which I can share with you later, the information of the bearing of the site. So those are the things that you want to do. Things that maybe you can get and you might not need to import later. But I will leave this here anyway, right? There's another reason why I copied this information. It's because when I start doing my Revit project, I want to turn off AutoCAD, so I don't have this information anymore. And even if I have inserted this inside Revit, once I start doing the bearing and the direction for my topography or my site plan, I won't be able to see these values anymore. So that's why I captured it. You can write it down. I simply captured it and place it in a PowerPoint document.